So you can see it has given us Hindi story here, right? And similarly, so it writes a subject, job opportunity inquiry, your name, and then your hiring manager's name. I hope you're doing well. Hello and welcome to day 123 of the 1000 days of NoCode challenge. In yesterday's video, we understood about the history of AI and how it all started. But for most of us, ChatGPT was the first AI tool that we probably used. And hence, in this 100 days of AI challenge, let's start with ChatGPT. It's the most popular one. It's the most widely used tool as well. And for those of them who have not used AI, even when they hear the word AI, they would be like, are you talking about ChatGPT? Yes. So let's get started with that tool. Okay, before you jump to any conclusions, let me clarify this. I'm not here to give you some advanced prompts which will make your life go wow in 5 seconds. I'm here to share my knowledge of how each of these tools can be used in our daily use cases. So let's see how to use ChatGPT. I know most of you already know how to use ChatGPT, but we are starting this series for even those people who have never used any AI tools. As the days progresses, we will get into more complex things. Until then, please stay tuned and share this with somebody who doesn't know how to use it. So let's begin. So to begin with, you'll have to go to chatgpt.com and create an account there. Of course, without creating an account also, you can do some kind of chatting with the AI. But if you can create an account, then all your chat histories will be shown on the left side. Okay, so let's begin with a small story for a kid. Can you please read a story for my 5-year-old in Indian language? So you can see it has given us Hindi story here, right? And similarly, that will be created here. And I can continue this further. Okay, I can also ask it, can you please give the story in Kannada, right? So it gives you in Kannada. You can continue to ask it further, right? Or you can create a new chat. Okay, so let's click on this particular thing, which is for new chat. If you want to do something temporarily, which means you do not want it to come in the chat history, then you can click on this temporary here. Okay, you can also upload the files for it to understand something about the file and then respond basis that. You can also click on search over here, okay, which will search the internet to give you some response. So for example, can you see what Wix7.com is all about? So it is searching the web. Okay, so you can see Ritesh is a premium no-code studio specializing in business automation solutions. They offer services such as and so on and so forth. So basically what it does is it goes to the website and it searches for the website details and gives you what it is all about. Likewise, we also have a ABCD community, which most of you are already aware of. So it gives you that details here, right? So if you click on this one, it opens the community page, which is abcd.ritesh7.com. Okay, so all the details will be here. If you want, you can chat more. You can ask reasoning. Okay, think before responding. And we have like create image, canvas, and so on and so forth. We will cover a lot of it in the coming days. I just wanted to give you a very short glimpse of what ChatGPT is all about and how to use it in the most basic form. This can also be used to create emails. So for example, I want to write an email for a job opportunity. So I have basic understanding of NoCode. So it writes a subject, job opportunity inquiry, your name, and then your hiring manager's name. I hope you're doing well. I came across the job opportunity at Ritesh7 and I'm excited about the possibility of contributing to your team. So it gives you all the details. If you feel that there is something missing or if you want to add more, then you can chat with it again. So there's no opportunity. You want to reach out and see if it could share an opportunity, right? Basis this, it will change the subject and body. Exploring opportunities at Ritesh7, your name, right? So you'll have to change this details and this one. right? And it has given you a different context. Now, if you feel that this is also not good enough, type what are you expecting for, right? And it will adjust the answer based on that. So try it out and put in the comments what did you try and how was the output. Of course, this is not for somebody who has been using ChatGPT for a very long time. This is for somebody who has not explored any AI tools as of yet. The reason being, as and when they go advanced level, they also have to come along, and that's why we are starting from the very basic. And with that, we have understood how do we start with the most basic AI tool out there, ChatGPT. Ask it for anything that you want. It could be for assignment support, it could be for study support, it could also be for product launch support, right? You ask it to play a role of certain person and give the context, and it will act as though it is that person and respond accordingly. And please, if you already know how to use it, do not ignore. Please share it with somebody who has never used ChatGPT or who has always been looking for learning AI tools. And if this video has helped you, please share it with others who might be seeking similar support. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.